triumph over me. And before I be on a slave, I going be buried in my grave. I'm going home to my God and be free. They'll be singing, they'll be singing, they'll be singing over me. But I hope you're not free now. Next, you want to join your hand back with the person who did it. Left hand and on the right hand. That is your sucker. Now we broke tall. I know Yeddi that song say, let it sucker be unbroken. Well, we together. We know say, we who be Gullah Geechee, and not there the other day. If we evil, Madinka, Maleke, Yeddi, Gullah, Geechee, Famlee, Famlee, Ifik, Ibibio, ancestors them, every joint together. Tall. If they ever know why then, but hold to one another, we wasn't there. They should be. So 100 children come together like a this year. And dry long soon. See? Hold on. So 100 children join together like a this year today. And 100 never do them for now. Look at the person who did it. Look to 100 left. Now I know y'all say, I do that, look in the back of the person head in it. Ain't it? Because when we all look to we left, what happened just now? What you gonna look at? Yes. Ain't it? Some, and some even know where you left in, so you better look at each other's face.
Just turn it
Ain't
off.
it?
Just turn it off.
But try it again. Look to your left.
You just turned it off.
Look right. Now see that? They're two gonna look at each other's face. So I tell you right there, they ain't know to left or right from. Because all of we should have been what? Same way. That was wrong now. Because sometimes when freedom they did to the left, we done look to the right. And when I say freedom did to the right, you will look to the left. Or you will look right left. And then you get left right there. And then we don't wonder what's going on. We just say great God, African people all around the world are struggle. Your life will be a struggle. I ain't about struggle, I'm about victory.
Right.
So how do the enemy talk about a luta continua, a struggle continue? No, when it got in. But it can't end if we don't learn each other which way to go. And you can't go all kind of rest of the way and follow a leader. If we don't got one leader, and leader said left, we all supposed to go which way? Not. Y'all in the dance? How do you move? Everybody look right. Left. Right. Down. Up. Pray. Glory. But that song said, if I move, you move. If I move, you move.
Just like that.
If I move, you move. Okay then, DJ, bring that back. Right? So now, sometimes we all the crack, we teach about the same thing. We just say, I'm going to leave it different. So sometimes I say, leave it. One time that children can't understand because we say, look left, look right. But when I say, when I move, you move, oh, just like that. So everybody in the crack teach the same way. But we have to learn, have to tune in. So sometimes you need no what to. And now we to try to learn y'all young children. Y'all don't even want to read, but y'all want to write. And y'all say, I ain't write like that. I ain't talking about pencil and pen and thing what you need for doing all the things do. But y'all want to write like this. Y'all write like this. And everything y'all are right. Then you wonder how people roll up on you. They know it all your business. Know all your business. Know how to break you down. Know where for strike. Know how for strike. Because you don't tell them every weakness you got. You see? Now I say, certain kind of folk will move on you if it knows your weaknesses. I have none. But I'm going to give them all your weakness. Turn it. Tweet you. Tweet this. Check in. We don't check in for you got a parole officer. And what they ain't got for paper roll you to check in for? Then you don't wonder, man, that person I ain't first light come in there. They come there because they know you've been there. They ain't checking till they get right where you is just for vex your nerves. We ancestors been a talk. But when they been a talk, even in any way to talk about, because they been a talk through this year. That's why they tell we are 1740 and want me for now. They've been a tune in with this year. As long as Hunter got this year drum tune, and nobody can take your freedom. Tall. Y'all know what else it is saying, that 1740 slave code, beside that 100 children couldn't play the drum? Anybody know what else it said? It said, African, or as they've been called, Negro, shouldn't read or write. Why y'all think it shouldn't read or write? Say that.
Because knowledge is power.
How is it power? It's only if it is what? Control. Knowledge and power. Knowledge of information. It's acting on knowledge that's power. See, they give you a little bit of misleading proverbs and y'all repeat them over and over and it becomes trite. It is of no effect. That's why the Bible says your traditions have become of no effect. It says that because you just do something and say something because the last person said it. Okay, you do stuff like people say, how want to do? I do blessed to be stressed. But you know my bill ain't paid yet. So then what you talk about? But you saying them because the last person said it. So you got knowledge of that, but you're not enacting it. So there's no power. When you have power, people try to control your power by restricting your power. It's all right to amen. If you let loose the hand and clap, it's all right. So now, there we go. Your power. No drums. No read. No writing. Then it said, what y'all standing on? What is we standing on? What? Land. It said Africa ain't supposed to own no land. Ain't that really where the what? Power is. Because Hunter can feed yourself from this your land. Hunter can live down on this your land. If Hunter ain't got but a tent over Hunter's head, you got some place for stay. If you have some what? Land. What did it tell you? You build multi-generational wet with what? Land. That's the first thing. That is real estate. You got it? Real recognize real. Can't recognize game. But some of we, I ain't gonna pay no tax. That's too hot. It's too high for live outdoors too. I'm going to find out how high it really is when you down on the ground. Okay, so now, don't play the drum. Don't read or write. Don't on land. Y'all think they have stopped? No. I had one more clause, 100 that broke right now. And don't make me run these people out there just because y'all figured they'd try to beat them because they ended them over me. When we say they put that drum set, don't play them. If they tell you you can't do reading it right now and they make a law, what I tell you will happen before the law? What will happen before the law? Thank you, sister. Tell her.
You was reading and writing.
We was reading and writing. Because you know I heard about a place called Kush. I heard about a place called Timbuktu. I heard about a place called Kemet. Where they learn 100 children now call them Egypt. All that place when they tell you, say, they're going to put hieroglyphics on the thing. They're going to write papyrus. Who them people been? Say them again.
Black African.
So, if they have a teeth on them from Africa, and you want to do that in Africa, just because they carry you North America, what are you going to do in North America? The same thing. So that's why they had to make a law to tell you stop doing that thing. Okay? So then if they make a law say you can't own what we just stand on again, what I tell you, we had land. We the top of 1740. See, y'all can say, hold on, our ancestors been enslaved. Ain't such a thing. Because from my islands until now, we've been dating since the 1500 and things like that. Fort Charlestown, we founded and things like that. The people live somewhere. Okay? Come on, slide the circle in. More people coming. Slide them down. Slide them down. So, guess what? Like I tell y'all, we ain't got scared of these few people that are joined me in Gullah Geechee Famlee Day, because let's the last part the law says 3 or more Africans cannot join together unless an overseer is present. What that sister said a little while ago, what they was trying to do now? What is it?
Control.
What you say, bro?
Control.
That sounds like a Janet Jackson song. But what she said, I'm in control. That's what she said. Alright? Because she said, now I'm all grown up. That's what she was saying, for true. But now if honey ain't grown, then honey ain't know. And what the children must know, the grown folk must teach them. But now if we walk out and thing like that, they don't learn nobody nothing. Because you ain't going to learn about nothing but crackiness. Let somebody want got wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. Learn the children. Sometimes some people 65 years old still a children. Because they be teachable tall all their days. So don't say because you old, that make you smart. They tell me God take care of babies and fools. They also let me say, ain't no fool like what kind? A old fool. So that tell her right there, all old people ain't got wisdom. So just because you say gray hair, don't soon say they know what's going on. Because unfortunately, some of we older people be traumatized. They how they talk and things lick out of them. Why in school and yell at the cracky teeth like this, you get like this. If they yell at again, they do them like this. Tell her to stop and do that thing. Don't one. Cut them out. Look here. Talk like this. So now, here it is. That you are taught that you shouldn't talk. You're taught you shouldn't read. You're taught you shouldn't write. You're taught you shouldn't value land because not anything you should have. You can't help yourself but move if you're an African person and your soul is intact when the drum played on. Am I right? I ain't had to say if I move, you move. If I start beating the drum, y'all. If you had a can, y'all see how y'all steppers be doing? With the can be this high. Y'all be... Because that's in our souls. That's in our DNA. So did y'all think the 1740 slave code worked? Did it work? Some say yes it did. It did for some. It worked on some. Thank God it ain't working all the way. Some we know who we be. We be Gullah Geechee anointed people. And we free. So this your day. We holding one another hand and making the one circle. Stretch out so they can get in the circle. Stretch out. Stretch out. Y'all bring the circle right here from the sister right here in the chair. Bring the circle down. And let these other one what's stepping in joining right here. Y'all come over a little more tight on this side for me. Yeah. Come on in. And then once they in, we're going to stop and hold the gate. Okay. All right. Come on in, sisters. Slide on down a little bit. No, you slide down a little bit. No, slide down a little bit. Didn't I just talk about manners, y'all? And that's too hot? Okay. It's not a question of what to do and what you want to do. It's not about standing in shade. It's about doing what our ancestors did. They didn't stand in the shade. So we need everybody to do what I'm asking you to do, which is to move this circle down here. Not accommodate one individual. Come down, come down, come down. One of the major things that I found that's been destructive amongst us is allowing people to disrespect us. If we don't respect us, nobody else will. There's the difference between a question and a command. I didn't ask anybody to move. I said, move down. I was raised by my mama. She in that corner. She already done got a switch. Because we have talked too many times on the same thing. Gullah Geechee people don't like all that bunch of talking. Because it ain't that difficult for slide down. If we're going to do a slide dance, y'all ought to slide to the right. Slide to the left. Now hold it. Y'all ought to do all that. So I asked you for slide down. That's all you had to do. I don't need to hear nothing about no shade. I said that in the email. Wear a sun hat. And ain't we doing that? That's one of the results of the 1740 slave code, is not only the impact it had on African people, but the impact it had on Anglo people too. That still feel as if an African person gives direction, I can't ignore it. Because I feel I'm in power. I'm Queen Quet, if you don't know. And I'm the chiefess and head of state for the Gullah Geechee Nation. So all of this is my home. From Jacksonville, North Carolina to Jacksonville, Florida. So I ain't used to having to talk 2, 4, and 5 times when you're a guest in we house. Like we said earlier, I'm speaking English only so everybody understands. Everybody is here to enjoy the day. And the more that you have manners, the more enjoyable the day will be. We pray to God for it to be cool and get a nice breeze so less don't make it hot. Because we ain't asking you to hurt yourself. But you do need to experience what others have experienced sometime, and then maybe you can go back and get an understanding. It wasn't about people sitting around in the shade. Because when I worked picking tomatoes, I picked them for 10 cents per bushel in 90-degree sun with sleeves on, long pants on, skirt over those pants, apron over the skirt. And ain't nobody said, oh, you know what you need to do? Stand in the shade. The tomato field wasn't in the shade. The cotton field wasn't in the shade. The Carolina gold rice wasn't in the shade. The indigo wasn't in the shade. So for the nerve of somebody to say to me on a day like today that they want to stand in the shade, and that's why they blocking Gullah Geechees from getting in the gate, because they need one person want to stand in the shade. That is unacceptable behavior. So you did it once, don't do it no more today. Because also on your tickets it said, we do reserve the right to remove you. And that's for not following instructions. That's what it said. So this year the Gullah Geechee Famlee did, and the family ain't having no problem. The family looking around saying, Lord, I ain't want to be next to that person. She about to lick with your belt. That what they doing. That what they do anything. All y'all said, this my family right here, ain't staying close right here. We good. They moved in close and they already been close. When I said move down, they been on top one another like this year. They said, Queen ain't gonna get weak. That's how we do it all for true. We love we brothers and sisters and first cousins and thing, but when they get licked, gal out of you. Well, let's see, hard head make a bookie soft. So we can laugh at that kind of thing, but something ain't funny. Because if we've been going to other rest of people events, we would have had all the manners in the world. We would have followed every protocol in the world. Or they would have called security and carry out. So people can't come in, we place and disrespect we like that. But if we disrespect we ourselves, people think they can disrespect we too. So God bless all 100 children. That what it's the about. But we put one more blessing upon we. We be Gullah Geechee anointed people. But if anybody y'all ain't want your blessing, go on, get out this circle now. Because this circle, for we bless the family. Now part of the blessing of the journey, we got Mayor Tecklenburg. He joining in the circle right now with we. Charleston. He taught him not robbery. He said, Queen, this your year, you ain't have to come to my office. Or they have to come to Charleston Town Council. Y'all had Famlee Day, I come in too. We could do DNA on Mayor Tecklenburg, because every time we could do something Gullah Geechee, he'd show up. Because I think he don't want a week. And something going on in Mayor Tecklenburg. Hey, y'all say, the mayor coming up here from Florida, he said, tell Queen, I coming too. Glad he will see you. So join hands, everybody. Join hands. And first, let me put that energy together. Close your eye. Give a moment of silence for we ancestors, especially them who come through the Atlantic, through the Middle Passage. Them who had the vision, the knowledge, understanding, but have freedom in their hearts. Them who ain't still in the plantation territory, but rather see, who I be a slave, I go and be buried in my grave. Thank God this should be. Now we ancestors in the day with we now. For all of them, when we come true, that line ain't getting like that. This year there we pour and we sing. Ashe.
Ashe.
For all the children, when we did it on this land, who we know on this land how to take a stand. This year there we pour and we sing. Ashe.
Ashe.
For all the children who say, great God, this your place, it's too hot. But we will fight for you. Even in our Jonah, we call them a school, American. The Seminole. But then we pour, we sing. Ashe. For all the children. We ain't first there yet. But they're coming. And we want to bless them up. But I know where they be. The nobody taking nothing off them. We pour, we sing. Ashe. Whenever 100 together. We pour water here in the Gullah Geechee nation. But we ancestors them. For them were and the sacred ancestors. Them were learn on us some positive thing. Them were hold on the culture. Them were the cricket of who we be. And we say, Ashe. For all them were going on. The Raman ancestors and the Wisdom Circle Council elders. We say, Ashe. All them will be part of we. Assembly of representatives and going on. We say, Ashe. For all them children, family, what on crossover in the last year, since we joined together, you gotta get your Famlee Day. We pour and we say, Ashe. This should be. Call our Huna ancestors. What Huna want for beer. Shout with me. This shall be. Who learn you something positive, but who wanna be? Denmark Vesey. Ashe, Ashe. Gullah Jackson. Ashe, Ashe. 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 Moses Goodwine. Ashe. Laura Goodwine. Ashe. Henry Holmes. Ashe. Rita Holmes. Ashe. Ashe. Ronald Goodwine. Ashe. 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 Septima Portsett Clark. Ashe. Reverend Goodwin. Ashe. Yusuf Clyde. Ashe. Helene Galabini. Ashe. 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 Cato. Ashe. 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 For all our ancestors whose name and thing we don't remember. We don't yet it that many years. Some will fight on the Petey River. For all of them will fight come the Seminole. All of them will be the warrior. But we fall and we say Ashe, 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 and let the church say Amen. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. Oh, but we and before we behold our slaves, we going to be very regret and going home till we go and be free. Come on, y'all can do better than that. And they'll be shouting. They'll be shouting. They'll be shouting. Oh, but we. And before I be on a slave, I going to bury my grave. I'm going home to my God and be free. Okay, all the free children, let me hear them, hold on. Come on, y'all. Oh, 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 Bobby, and me. I going to be. Where you going? To? What? That's what I talk about. All the hunter who join we. Throw up your hand and want to know how to be free. That's what I talking about right there. That's what the Gullah Geechee family all about. Don't let that cracky people tell Lord Hunter. We story start in slavery. We story start with rich people. They be called we black gold. So now, if Hunter in the black gold, put your hand down. We be Gullah Geechee anointed black gold children. We rich. We rich in power. Rich in spirit. We the one who build all of this, y'all. Remember that? The first one was laid a cornerstone for 100 years about called America now. Been we ancestors. They built them off the black gold. Then exploit for the black gold be known about that cotton, rice, and indigo. Oh, but 100 children, you know who we be. We be Gullah Geechee anointed and free. So now, who wanna be? Who wanna be?
Ashe.
I ain't know what summer hunter, but I know who I be, and I be Gullah Geechee, and I be free.